Listen, Mother, I've got to go. Yes, no, birds. What? No, killer ones. Yes, seagulls. Seagulls. And crows, yes. No, Aisha. Yes, I have a car now. What? I've got to go. I've got to go.
All right, children, now put your books in your desks. We're not going outside until everybody's quiet down.
Yes, Mrs. Hayward.
We have to get these children out of here. Out of here. Quiet down, children, quiet down. Miss Daniels here wants to see how we conduct ourselves during the fire drill.
A fire drill? A fire drill?
We're going to go out of the school now.
Yes, Mrs. Hayward.
Shh! I want you to go as quietly as you can. Not a sound. Until I tell you to run.
Yes, Mrs. Hayward.
We're going to go out of the school now. This way, children, this way. Until I tell you to run.